Yeah. 1Ragnar, love and scars. This one for the broken hearts healing. I woke up one day with tears in my eyes, thinking about all our goodbyes. But I realized I'm still alive, still breathing, still learning to survive. You were my world, my everything. Now I'm healing from the pain you bring. It hurt so much when you walked away, but I'm stronger now each day. I lost love, but I found me in the middle of tragedy. Pain taught me what I need. Now I'm finally breaking free. I'll be alright, yeah, I'll survive, even without you in my life. Tears fall, but I still stand, healing slowly, I'm a stronger man. I'll be alright, I won't break. Every scar is a lesson I take. Love hurt me, but I won't stay down. I'm finding peace that I never found. I used to think I needed you here, but now I see things clear now. Every love is meant to last. Some of my lessons from the past, I forgave you in my heart, even though you tore it apart. Now I walk a different road, lighter without your heavy load. I lost love, but I found me in the middle of tragedy. Pain taught me what I need. Now I'm finally breaking free. I'll be alright, yeah, I'll survive, even without you in my life. Tears fall, but I still stand, healing slowly, I'm a stronger man. I'll be alright, I won't break. Every scar is a lesson I take. Love hurt me, but I won't stay down. I'm finding peace that I never found. Takes time, but I know I'll be okay, even if you went away. No more hate, no more pain, I won't go back there again. This heart may still feel scars, but I'm reaching for the stars. I'll be alright, yeah, I'll survive, be alright, even without you in my life. I found strength inside my pain. Now I rise up again. I'll be alright, I'm finally free. No more chains holding me. Love and scars made me see the best version of me, yeah. From pain to peace, from scars to strength. Love and scars, I'll be alright.